The notion of ether has been forbidden because by uniting an individual consciousness with consciousness of the quantum field, ether, the human would easily grasp their essence, and they would be like gods. If people were aware of the reality described here, that they are all together and the whole of the universe made up of one same matter, nobody would be negative in any way. Nobody would kill anyone. This is universal awareness. Everyone would be enlightened, but at the same time, and here's where it gets interesting, no one would get incarnated into this world, which is a stage for trying out all of the possible experiences, since versatility of experiences would not be an option then. To provide the experience of opposition, the ones that rule this world have managed to keep public in a dream and convince them that black is white and white is black. The human has agreed to this illusion because they did not arrive here to be like gods. They already are gods. We didn't come here knowing this. We came here to remember this. If we came here remembering this, we wouldn't have come here in the first place. That is part of the reason of why we come here.